Alright, the stupid bird is back. Cat is intrigued. Oh, here he goes. The cat is in the scene, clearly. I think he likes the cats. I'm not sure yet. He went in here pretty darn bad, though. He's hanging on to the outside of the window. I'm a crazy bird, huh, newbie?
You got it?
No.
Trinity.
Turn it off. She's coming back to you.
Alright, that's enough. Newbie's playing with the bird again. What's he doing, newbie?
So, Mr. Penguin, you have a family? Wife and kids?
Well, you know how when you gotta keep your egg warm all winter while your girl's out hunting for fish, and the only way to do that is putting the egg on your feet and cuddling with a bunch of dudes, and then you start to realize that bitch ain't coming back?
So, you're a father?
How about them cowboys?
Okay.
80 pounds of kids on my back. Are you grandma? Okay, everybody's calling. That's all. He's in attack mode. Oh, look who's back. Maybe he's right there. I think they play. I think this is a bird's way of playing with the cats.
Alright, this is the piano card trick. We're going to have Chad put his hands out like he's playing the piano. And we're going to take 2 cards, an even number of cards, put them right there. 2 more cards, even number of cards, right there. 2 cards, an even number of cards.
Paper cut.
Ow. 2 cards, an even number of cards, right there. We'll do the same thing for the next hand. 2 cards, even number of cards. 2 cards, an even number of cards. 2 cards, an even number of cards. And for the last one, 1 card, an odd number of cards. Yeah, it's pretty exciting. Alright, so here's what we did. Took 2 cards, an even number of cards. Put them in separate piles here. We got 2 cards, an even number of cards. 2 cards, even number of cards. 2 cards, an even number of cards. 2 cards, an even number of cards. 2 more, even number of cards. 2 cards, an even number of cards. We've got 1 card left. So now, we have 2 even piles. Which pile do you want to put the odd card on?
Alright.
Alright. So that makes this the odd pile.
Alright.
Alright. Now here's what we're going to do. We're going to switch the piles. As soon as Chad says monkey.
Monkey's uncle.
Oh, close enough. Okay. So now we've switched the piles. This was the odd pile. Now this is the odd pile.
How'd you do that?
It's magic. Let's see if we can check it out here. 2 cards, even number of cards. 2 cards, even number of cards. 2 cards, even number of cards. And 2 cards, an even number of cards. And just to make sure, even number, even number, even number, odd number.
That's pretty cool, chicks.
It's magic.
Magic fingers.
Alright, so it's 10:30. Door is on. And look who's hanging on the window. Maybe he's in stalk mode. One weird bird. And there he goes. Is he at the other window? Sounds like it.
Oh my God! Did you hear that? What was that? I can't see anything! What? What?
Get it.
What's he doing, movie?
Get it. Get that.
Hey, it's time for Chad Talks About Stuff He Learned in the Bathroom.
So my mom and dad just got an awesome laptop for Christmas, and I'm gonna screw with them as their Christmas present. I'm gonna log into the computer with my smartphone after I learn their IP address and install the software for it, and screw with them on Christmas Day just to see what happens. It's a cool epiphany.
And you want this on camera?
Yeah, Merry Christmas. No, I don't want that on camera.
Bird, 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 bird. Bird, bird's the word. Bird, 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 bird. Bird, bird's the word. Well, don't you know about the bird? Well, everybody knows that the bird is the word.